Are you a musician, a producer, upcoming musician, upcoming producer, whatever you are, man? I think I'm looking for you, and here's why. So as you guys do know, I do own two channels. The first one, which is Directorvhim, and the second one, which is Speed RSA, where I do talk about cars, review cars and all that. Normally when I do car shows or car content, I do use random music to attach in the video. So what I'm basically looking for is an artist or producer, I mean anyone who does produce audio. I'm looking for your music to attach in my video. During the editing process of the content that I do create for Speed RSA, I do struggle when it comes to audio. Sometimes I tend to use random music that I don't even know the artist. I just go on YouTube, type any song, and then I attach the audio in the video, and that happens to be a problem sometimes because you do get copyright claims, and sometimes YouTube, there's a whole bunch of issues that you face when you use such audios. So I sat down and thought, okay, instead of using someone's music, why not use someone who has not got the fame yet? So yes, I need you to send me your song, your project, your album, your EPs. When I used your audio in my video, I'll basically tag or add details of the artist, the title of the songs, and how people can reach out to that particular artist. So in this way, a lot of people watching my content will be able to tell, oh, okay, this is the artist that made this particular song. Just send me any song you have, whether Afrobeat, gospel, hip-hop, whatever it is. Send it to me. I'll be very happy to add this in my video, and I believe it's really gonna benefit both sides as well. I've edited a few content on the Speed RSA channel. I'm just gonna play it here so you guys can see the type of content that I create, so you guys can also see where your audio will be going to if ever you have an interest. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whipping, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this since a youngin', I've been had the drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip.